At Aksun Electronics Technologies Limited, we don't just install solar system, we deliver reliable power solution you can trust. Today, we are taking you through the installation of a 4kW inverter paired with a 10 kWh lithium battery, a system built for efficiency, stability, and long-lasting performance. After offloading all the materials, every member of the team moved into position, ready to get to work. As you know, a standard solar installation is divided into two major parts, the exterior and the interior. Now to the exterior. The solar panels were carefully lifted and mounted on the roof with precision. Every panel were properly aligned and securely fixed to ensure maximum sunlight exposure and long-term durability. Our team paid close attention to spacing, tilt angle, and structural stability, making sure the installation not only performs efficiently but also stands strong against harsh weather conditions. With the panels fully laid, you can already see the transformation, clean, well-aligned, and beautifully integrated with the roof. Not just functional but visually impressive. Now let's move to the interior, where the real power setup begins. We start with the unboxing of the inverter and lithium battery, carefully angled and prepared for installation. At this stage, the team leader walks us through the system, explaining the specification and why the setup is perfect fit for the client's energy needs.
Comes with cable. I think this is a lovely one from LUXWATT, and it also comes with hanger. Let them see the hanger. So we'll be hanging these two batteries on the wall. We're unboxing the battery. We're building out the battery now. Yeah, it's good. Let's put it on. It's a lovely design from LUXWATT. So we're kicking off the installation now by hanging it. Wow. Let's unbox. We have LVTOPSON, their latest design. LVTOPSON, the latest design of LVTOPSON. We have it right here, and we're doing the installation now. So how to unbox this? Let's see what LVTOPSON is giving us. That's how that new design looks like. That's what I think it's lovely. It's an upgrade inverter. So it comes with the manual, comes with network cable for parallel function, because I think this inverter, this is their version of the inverter. The one before now, you can't parallel them. They fall down 24 volts per kilowatt. But I think this one has a parallel function now. I think that's why it's able to. So we have the manual. So that's beautiful. Wow, lovely. Also 4 kW 24 volts. I can see a lot of improvements on their past design. So we have a wider screen here, and the controls here are touch. Have the up and down, the escape, the enter. It's touch. So, and I think it comes with a round, just like the SMS. If you have seen the SMS, if you installed SMS product, if you have seen it, it has this LED. So I think the same thing applies here also. So let's see what the specification is. So now you can see max PV 4400. The inverter itself is 4000 watts, but we can push in as high as 4400. Let's believe it's so. Now the PV input max is 500 volts. Then the voltage range, this is what I used to specify about. The best voltage range, make sure you work within that range. This is 60 to 450. So now the recommended, this is the most important. 240 to, so which means no matter how your configuration design of your solar panel is you must work within this recommended voltage. You must be able to push in between 240 to 340 volts for you to have the best charging of this system. It comes with an high frequency MPPT controller. So this what I used to clamor on this for any type of inverter. Recommended MPPT voltage is very, very important. So now for the current, we have maximum of 18 amps. So which means you can use 700 watts, 600 watts of PV, which comes with 14, 15 amps of charging current to get as a whole. So now for the battery type, the recommended we use lithium or lead acid battery. Then it's a 12 volt system, so the battery range is 20-30 volts. Then the max charging and discharge current is 120 amps. Then AC, the usual AC output 4000 VA max. Then output 30, 60. So I think it's fine. Now let's look at what we have at the bottom here. So we have the AC input connector, AC output connector. We have output 1, output 2. So and then the PV input also, we have the connector for the PV inverter. Then now, can you see what I was talking about the other time? So which means this particular version we can parallel it. So this parallel in, this parallel out. Then we have the BMS communication dot here also. Then I think this is for done the Wi-Fi. But I think this particular version comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi. It comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi. So that's this LVTOPSON. So we'll be installing this now, and let's see. Now we've been able to mount our 2 batteries, 5 kilowatts. So we'll be installing this. Choose a particular location. Thank you.
The battery and inverter has been carefully mounted, ensuring a secure and well-organized setup for optimal performance. Next, we proceed to the wiring and system connections, ensuring every component is properly linked for safe and efficient operation. The breaker box is carefully installed to provide full protection and control of the system. Once everything is in place, the team leader walks us through the setup, explaining how the system works, key safety features, and how the client can monitor and get the best performance from the installation.
From LUXWATT. Comes with 5 brands. We have LVTOPSON here. It's our latest branch, as I said before, and creative design, optical aesthetics. So we'll be wiring this up now for the very first time. So we're putting on the battery switch. So I think the battery comes with factory 3 bar each. Here on our protection box here we have PV breaker, we have the PV switch, we have the AC switch, then we have our aerosol breaker here, fire breaker, extinguisher breaker here, then we have our output voltage protector, input breaker for our grid, then we have also for voltage protector for our input. So now our guy is working. See now from the screen, the battery load currently is 26.6 output volts 220. I love this display. So like they have this bar that was indicated for PV. So like if my PV is charging, I can view it in terms of level, but also the same thing happens to load. Can you see? Then and I have my battery bar also separated. So I'm the same 3 bars now. I'm having on each of these batteries. I'm also having 3 bars here. Can you see? So let's see other pages. What we have other pages. So on other pages we can see PV input. So I can know the total kilowatt of PV energy that was generated for the day. Also, I can check the PV voltage and the charging current at the same time. Then charging arms of the battery. Then this is the output That is what the inverter is drawing from the battery. That is what this is referring to. So we have total kilowatts going to the battery and also out of the battery. So because we just put it on, we are still having like 0.03. We've not loaded it yet. So then we have input. This is for grid now. The input frequency from grid. There's no grid, so zero. Output. Currently we have output from our inverters for 50 years. So load. Input voltage from grid, that's input, then we have load in terms of amps. Battery in terms of percentage. So now our battery is 68% according to the calibration of the inverter. So what do we have again? Okay, load in terms of kilowatts. I think that's all. And then we are back to our main. We are back to our main page. Okay, we're back to our main page. So let's check the PV. So I put in my PV. So now you can see the PV indicator is on. Yeah, can you see? So now can you see what I was saying the other time? Now you're having one bar here to indicate that it's already charging. And if you look at the battery also, I see the battery is moving also animating. It's charging. So if we go through what we went through the other time, let's check that out. Yeah, can you see now? The inputs vote from the PV, and we have 20 is very sharp. So and then the charging, the amps coming right from PV is 1.3. Let's see what the system converted into. Now you can see what's going into the battery now. We're having 18 to 19 amps going into the battery, and in terms of kilowatts, our battery has moved to 75% now. So I think that's okay. So now let's load our system. Let's go. Okay, so that is what so I give kudos to LVTOPSON for this guy design. Nice design, nice aesthetic. So you want something like this, contact us at Aksun Electronics Technologies. Contact us. Location is not a barrier. Give you the best, give you the top.